Hey guys, welcome back. So as you guys can see in the title, today we're back again to make our fifth HelloFresh meal. So today's meal is something very different and I'm really excited to be making this coconut Caribbean style soup with sweet potatoes and kidney beans. About 35 minutes. It's got some spice in it, which is amazing, and it's 2 of your 5 a day, which is really healthy. Guys, I can't wait to make this soup. I've never made soup like this before, so I'm really excited to be making this. Today's actually our last day as well, which is super sad, guys. I really enjoyed filming this series. Guys, if you enjoyed all the meals I've made so far, then please leave a comment down below. And also, guys, if you haven't seen my other meals, then go on my channel and check them out. I will leave everything in the description box so you guys can check it out. But I've had great fun cooking with you guys, making all these really cool meals, and it was just nice to make something different, you know what I mean? But guys, I don't want to talk too much. I really can't wait to make this coconut Caribbean style soup. It's gonna be really nice as it looks, so let's get into it. This is all you need to make this food, guys, which is really cool. It's not a lot. It's not a lot at all. Let me just break down the ingredients for you guys. So first we've got a sweet potato. I've actually got 2 sweet potatoes right here, guys. 2 sweet potatoes. We've got some, what's this called? Spring onions, y'all. Got some spring onions, about 3 of them. We've got a lemon, or this is not lemon, this is lime. I always get them confused, guys, but this is lime. Bell pepper, guys, a cute red bell pepper. We've got some garlic, a whole garlic, guys, but obviously we're not gonna use all of that. We've got some seasoning. So in the green one is vegetable stock paste, and in the other one is Caribbean style jerk seasoning. Okay, that sounds exciting, y'all. Jerk seasoning. We've got some coconut milk, which this is gonna make the soup amazing, guys. This is gonna make it so tasty. We've got some red kidney beans, y'all. 390 grams. And we've also got some chopped tomatoes. Amazing. Oh, and last but not least, y'all, we've got some, I'm not sure what this is. Smells like curry powder, so I'm guessing this might be curry powder, but it's actually written in French, poudre de Cologne, and I'm not sure what curry is in French, guys, but apparently this is what it is. Okay, this is all of our ingredients, guys. It's so minimal, which I love, not a lot at all. And right here I've got my cooking instructions just to follow along. And yeah, guys, time to start cooking. Okay, guys, so first thing I gotta do is to roast my sweet potatoes. I need to chop them up into a few pieces and then just put them in the oven. So guys, now I'm gonna add half of our Caribbean jerk style seasoning on this. We put them together so it's easier to go over. Okay, that's half of it. I'm keeping the other half. I'm gonna add some salt, some black pepper, and some oil. use my hands to quickly mix them everywhere. By the way, while I'm doing all of this, my oven has been heating up at about 200 degrees. So I'm not gonna put it in the cold oven, otherwise it's not gonna work. It's not gonna cook fast. Okay, and I'm gonna just spread them everywhere. Let them cook on their own. Okay, and now it's ready to go in the oven, guys, for about 25 to 35 minutes. Okay guys, so while that's cooking in the oven, it's time to move on to the next step, and that is to get all my vegetables ready and also prepare the red kidney beans. After rinsing my beans, I'm gonna go ahead and just pour them in this bowl and just keep them on the side. Okay guys, so after cutting all my vegetables, this is what I'm left with. It's looking nice and colorful, which I love. And here are my beans. So I'm just gonna leave these on the side and move on to the next step, which is starting to actually make the soup, guys. So let's get into it. So as you guys know, if you've seen my other videos, I use SaladMaster to make my food. SaladMaster is super healthy for you. It preserves all the quality of the food and nutrients, the vitamins, everything in the food stays in when you use SaladMaster, and it makes your food taste amazing. So this is what I will be using to make my soup today. So I'm gonna start by adding in some oil. Now add my pepper. Alright guys, so my peppers have become a little bit softer. So now it's time to go ahead and add my garlic. Curry powder or poudre de Cologne. And the remaining Caribbean style jerk. Now I'm gonna add a bit of water, even though that's not what they're telling me to do, but it looks like it's gonna stick if I don't do that. and add a little bit of water. And I'm just gonna add the chopped tomatoes, guys. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some water. And I'm gonna add in the whole tin of coconut milk. Next, it's time to add my vegetable stock paste, you guys. Put it all in there. So guys, after adding all of this in there, I'm just gonna close it, let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes until it gets thicker, and we're gonna do the next step. So now I'm just letting it cook, guys. Meanwhile, I've just taken out my roast potatoes, guys, and that's how they be looking. And that's gonna go in the soup in a couple of minutes. Okay guys, so our soup has been on for about 12 minutes now, and I'm just gonna, oh, super sealed. It's looking good, y'all. Okay, good consistency. Now it's time to add in our roast potatoes, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. I'm also gonna add half of the lemon. I mean lime, sorry, I said lemon again, guys. I meant lime. Stir it up well. And at this point, it doesn't need to be on the fire, guys. I'm just following the instructions, as that's what it says. It also says you can add more lemon, salt, and pepper if you feel like it needs more. And if you feel like the soup is too thick, you can add water, but I don't need to do all of that. Yeah, I don't need lemon. I think I need a bit of salt, guys. I don't need any pepper in this. Yeah, a lot better. Okay guys, so now that everything is done cooking and ready, I'm gonna go ahead and serve my soup in this bowl right here. Hey guys, here is the soup all done. Here is the SaladMaster one. And here's my own. Okay guys, so our food is done. As you guys saw, it looks really nice. and it was very simple to make. As always, HelloFresh is always easy to make, guys, and it did take me about 35 minutes, which is not too bad. So enough talking, y'all. I can't wait to try this food. So guys, moment of truth, let's dig in. Wow, I need another one. Oh my god. Now I need to eat more. I need to eat more. Guys, can't stop eating. That's how good it is. This soup is amazing, guys. It's so good. Oh my god. I need to talk before I keep on eating. I just can't stop eating, guys. It's so tasty, and you can really taste the lemon in there, guys. The lemon is the highlight of it all. The lemon just added some flavor in there. Top notch, top notch. The vegetables are really good. The sweet potatoes, it's amazing. Like, it just blends in so well with the soup. The beans are amazing. Spring onions are good. Peppers are good. It's like everything's supposed to be there. Everything that's in there is supposed to be in there. It tastes amazing. Only thing I would say, it's not spicy. I thought it was gonna be a bit spicy, but it's not even spicy at all. Not even 1%. Literally no spice in there, which is, it's okay, manageable. Apart from that, guys, everything tastes so good. So filling, by the way. Because it's soup, you don't expect it to fill you up, but everything in there, sweet potatoes, peppers, beans, everything in there just makes it feel like you're having a whole meal, if that makes sense. So guys, this is the last video of this series, but it's not the end. It's not a complete end, guys. If you guys want to see more HelloFresh videos or any other cooking videos, guys, because I can make other food, okay? I can make African food, I can make European food, I can make different kind of foods, but just let me know what you guys would like to see. Leave it in the comment box, guys, and I'll be sure to check it out. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, guys, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that whenever I drop a video, you're not gonna miss any upload, okay? And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you check out my other videos, guys, my other HelloFresh videos or any other video, guys. I do hair content, I do makeup videos, I do vlogs, all that kind of stuff. Go on my channel and check it out, guys. I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.